All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we're making a beautiful, fresh and vibrant watermelon salad. This is perfect for the summer. It's got some feta cheese, some mint, loads of beautiful flavors which work together fantastically. Really easy to make, so come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, we're going to make the dressing first of all. So I've got half a lemon here. Let's squeeze that into the bowl and then using a spoon, fish out any seeds which have popped out. Pop the other half just to the side. We might need it if we need to add a little bit more acid to this, okay? Now, grab some olive oil, and the basic ratio, guys, remember when you're making a dressing, 1 part vinegar or acid or lemon juice, and then 3 parts olive oil. So let's pour that in. We need a good pinch of salt and a good load of black pepper. Now grab a whisk and let's mix that all together. Next up, we've got about a handful of fresh mint, which we're just going to pick off the leaves and then finely chop up. Now the next ingredient is red onion, and red onion and mint goes together really, really well, but we only need a tiny little bit of it, otherwise it's going to overpower the entire dish. We just want this as a little background note. So we're going to use about 1/4 of a red onion, and I just want to really thinly slice it, so as thin as you can possibly get it. Okay, that looks great. Let's get that in. Give it a mix. And now that we've got the mint, we've got the onion, we've got all those ingredients in there, we can have a little taste and work out whether we need to add a little bit more lemon or a little bit more salt or pepper or mint. Okay, that's almost okay. So let's squeeze over that other half of lemon. Okay, that's the dressing done. So now we can add all our other ingredients. So we're going to start with the watermelon. So we're going to peel that by running our knife all the way around it. And then I want to dice it into kind of like a medium rough dice. Next, I've got some watermelon radish. So we've got watermelon, watermelon radish, and we're actually going to serve it with some watercress as well. So 3 waters in 1 salad. Come on, guys. Anyway, we're just going to really finely slice that, and this is going to give a really beautiful pepperiness to it from flavor. And of course, I mean, look at it, guys, it's absolutely beautiful. So that kind of contrast of color of the red and then the purple and green, it is going to be absolutely wonderful. And now our last ingredient is some beautiful feta cheese. Now, feta cheese is just going to give this a wonderful creaminess, but also a saltiness as well. So I don't want to add in all of that at the moment. We want to save some so we can crumble that over the top. But let's just use probably about that much, and then we can really finely crumble it in. And guys, I don't want it in really big chunks because I want to get a little bit of feta with every mouthful. Okay, let's get our hands in there. We want to mix that all together. And guys, the reason we mix it all together is so it tastes absolutely fantastic. Now, it's not going to look as beautiful like that. And what we do need to do is just keep some ingredients to the side, so then when we plate up, we can finish it off with some feta and some mint as well, just so it can look as good as it tastes. Now I've got half a bunch of watercress here, which we're going to sprinkle around the plate. And guys, the reason I'm using watercress is because it's got a lovely pepperiness. If you can't find it, don't worry, use arugula instead. But I'm using that because the actual idea for the recipe was going to be some beautiful salmon cooked on the barbecue. If you want to know how to do it, check out this video out here. We're going to do that and serve that with the watermelon salad, which would be sensational as a really lovely summer dish. Let's just sprinkle over some of that lovely watermelon salad. And now we can crumble over a little bit of feta and sprinkle over some more mint. Right, here we go, guys. Welcome to Kitchen Daddy After Dark. Oh my word, I know we could have waited until tomorrow to do all this, but forget it, come on. This salad, it needs to be eaten fresh, and I cannot wait to taste it because, you know, I've been tasting it all along, and now we've got it. Honestly, guys, you might be thinking, red onion, not short. You've got to put the red onion in. Red onion, mint, feta, watermelon. Oh my gosh. Especially red onion mint. Great, great combo, great combo. But just a little bit. Right. I'm going to wrap this up because it is still absolutely roasting here. As I said, I would serve this with some salmon cooked on the smoker, not like barbecue, just barbecue salmon or grilled salmon. That is going to be an amazing summer barbecue dish. I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this. Oh, guys, big thumbs up, get in the comments, see you next week. Cheers, guys, take care, bye-bye.